Here we will replace the dead battery in the key fob of a late model Chevrolet keyless start car with a fresh one, and adding changes to how we handle the battery. We'll need the help of a very small screwdriver to remove the battery, and we'll need a new CR2032. We need to remove the mechanical key to get started. Push the release button on the side of the fob as shown, and pull on the key ring end, and we have the key. Slip the first ½ inch or so of the mechanical key back into its slot and twist. This releases the back of the fob, and it can be separated into its two halves. The battery is seen with its markings down. The tip of the screwdriver now comes into play to get beneath it. And there's our CR2032. Slip the new battery in with its markings down, starting at the top of the battery's space. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery if there is one. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but be careful, the battery can be quite slippery in the cloth. You may need to make a final move with a finger and use the cloth again to clean it. Make sure the battery's markings are down. Line up the two halves of the fob and snap them back together. We started at the key ring end, but it didn't seem to matter. Replace the mechanical key. Then test the locks, and you're ready to go. For help with other push-button start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube. Subscribe to this channel, or go to DashboardSymbols.com.